In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does air conditioning work in a house. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. An air conditioner works by removing heat from inside your house and transferring it to the outside, not by generating cold air. So essentially, it is going to take the heat out of the house and reintroduce cold air, which is known as the refrigeration cycle. This system uses a special chemical called a refrigerant that cycles between a liquid and a gas to absorb and release heat. So a typical home air conditioning system, also known as a split system, has two main parts. You have the indoor unit, which is the evaporator inside of the house, and it contains an evaporator coil and a fan, usually found in a closet, attic, or basement. Then you have the outdoor unit, which is the condenser. This is a large box that you see outside of the house containing the condenser, coil, a fan, and the compressor. So basically, the cycle is going to start by evaporation. Indoors, the thermostat tells the system to turn on. The indoor unit's fan pulls warm, humid air from your home across the cold evaporator coil. Inside of the coil, the liquid refrigerant absorbs the heat from the air, causing it to evaporate and turn into a low-pressure gas. This process cools the air, which is then blown back into the room. You have decompression and condensation, which take part outdoors. The refrigerant, which is now a hot, low-pressure gas, travels through a copper line to the compressor in the outdoor unit. This compressor squeezes the gas, which dramatically increases its pressure and temperature. Next, this superheated high-pressure gas flows into the condenser coil. The outdoor unit's fans blows air over these coils, which allows the refrigerant to release its heat to the outside air. As the refrigerant cools, it condenses and turns back into a high-pressure liquid. Indoors, the high-pressure liquid travels back inside to an expansion valve, and this valve restricts the flow of the refrigerant, causing a sudden drop in temperature. And by repeating the cycle over and over, you are able to remove the heated air from inside of the house. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, it would support us a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.